Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a prize. No, I can't talk. Hang on. Hey guys, and welcome back. Today's video is going to be showing you, not unboxing because I've already opened it like 4 days ago, but I won a giveaway and I'm so excited. I won a giveaway from Stephanie Niece, and I will link her channel above in the description, but she's also called the Nerdy Mom Vlogs. That's what she calls her channel as well. She is a distributor for paparazzi jewelry, which is, I believe it's nickel-free jewelry. I can't remember all the details about it, but everything is $5. Everything is $5, which is so cool, and it's beautiful jewelry. She is also, I'm pretty sure she's a distributor for doTERRA oils. If she's not a distributor, then she's a customer. But anyway, I will just start with that. And I just so happen to already use doTERRA oils. Years ago, I used Young Living, but my cousin started selling doTERRA, so I started ordering under her. And this is just a little introductory kit. It has the lavender, the lemon, and the peppermint. And it's just the 5 milliliter, and I've actually already used them because I was running low on lemon and peppermint, and I like to have more than one lavender in the house because we have a really big house and it's 2-story, and lavender is my go-to with my kids, so I like to put it on them at night, or if my 2-year-old is really fussy, I put it on her. So yeah, this is the bag that she packed it in. I thought this was so cute. I wasn't expecting this because I didn't see it in the giveaway video. It says Earthbound Trading Company. I don't even know what that is, but I just love the bag. It'll be perfect for like the beach. I'm really excited. She also, what is this? Yeah. She also sent her little business card. Let you guys take a screenshot of that. And this is what the logo looks like, the paparazzi. Excuse my nails, I tried painting them earlier, but they still look horrible. So there's that. And I'll get to showing you guys. I'll show you the paparazzi jewelry first. And she put it all in here, which was really cool. I love this bag. I do not care. I thought it was so cute. Okay, so here we go. This is my favorite, for sure. Dream Bigger. It's like a copperish looking bracelet. Love it. Actually, I think this is a paparazzi piece that I got from someone else. And these earrings are actually paparazzi. I really didn't plan that. I didn't realize that when I put this on today. I took my daughter to the dentist today, and this is what I wore. So, all right, here's that. And this one is kind of cool. It's like a, it looks like, I think she called it a scarf type chain necklace, the little tassels, and then the matching tassel earrings. I'm really excited. With this stuff. And then this one, it looks like, I believe it's a feather. There we go. Wow, okay. Yeah, so here's this necklace. Very long necklaces. I really like long necklaces. I can't wear them right now because my 2-year-old will pull on them and break them because she's just that way. And there's the matching little tassel earrings. Those are cute. Very cute. All right. And then this is the last jewelry piece. This actually matches what I'm wearing. What's it called? Like rose gold or something like that. I'm not very good with jewelry names, but she is. She can tell you and give you all the details, so definitely go check out her channel when you're finished watching this one. Some little triangle earrings. That is gorgeous. Look at that. I love those. But yeah, that matches with what I'm wearing. I like it. All right, so that's all the jewelry. And then, oh, this was another doTERRA item. And I used it when I first opened it, but it's been in this bag ever since because I knew I wanted to make this video. But it's the Spa doTERRA Citrus Bliss Hand Lotion, a light uplifting lotion infused with essential oils. And I love the Citrus Bliss essential oil. I like to diffuse it, especially like in the fall. It goes just so well with like the fall scents. I mean, it goes good with summer scents and everything like that too, but I do love the way it smells. And it makes your hand so soft, and you just need a small amount. I mean, here you go. Show you. So it just makes, I don't know why I sniffed an empty hand. I just did that. But it just feels like silk is on your hands. It feels so good. And I've never used this kind before. Even though I ordered doTERRA oils, I've never ordered the hand lotion before. It smells good and it feels so good. Okay, so this is the last item in the bag. I was so excited about this. I think this kind of stuff is so cute. But it's like a little snow globe type sippy cup for moms. But it says Mama Tried. Is that not darling? I love it. And I don't think it's dishwasher safe, so I'm just going to hand wash it. I haven't used it yet, but I'm just gonna hand wash it and put some Plexus Slim in there, or some coffee or water, because I know I need to drink more water. But anyway, okay, so that is all for this video. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to go check out Stephanie's channel. After this, it's Stephanie Niece with a K. So go check her out, give her some love, tell her I sent you over there, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys. Don't forget to go check out. She is a distributor. I'm gonna talk one time. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to go why can't I talk? I need to learn how to talk today. We're gonna get this.